welcome to my channel. Welcome back if it's not the first time you are visiting it. Today I'm going to color some elements of a page in Julens Alla Färger from Trolle. I'm going to use Derwent INKTENSE pencils. I have this set with 100 colors, but of course you use the similar colors if you don't have all the pencils. This is a new kind of video on my channel. I will not speed up the footage. You will see me coloring the elements in real time. And every time I take a pencil, as you can see, I write the name of the color and the number of the pencil in the screen. So if you are interested in knowing that. My idea with this is to show that sometimes you can just sit and relax. Coloring is a really relaxing activity. It's a hobby for me, and sometimes I just do a little bit per day, sometimes a week, a couple of times a week, and it is amazing. So I hope you enjoy this, you like this format. So there will be some videos until I complete the whole page, but not too many. I intend to do it in more or less 5 minutes to up to 15 minutes in every video I post here. And I repeat, it will be in real time. Sometimes I will comment on something that is on the screen or not. And I thank you very much for watching it. I ask you to consider maybe leaving a like, a comment, subscribe to the channel. It will help me, it will help the algorithm to show my channel to other people around the world. Thank you very much. I will be commenting along the video now and then, but otherwise I will see you on my next video. Bye for now. Now I'm going to work on these shadows here, and I'm just going to use mid vermilion 0310. So just a little bit on this side, just a little bit here, and just a little bit here. I already did this, and I already did this one. So just a little bit. And then if we want to, we can also come with a lighter one. This is lemon 0110. Just blend it just like that, and then activate with water. Try to blend, and here. And a little bit here. And that's done. So I totally messed it up when I was doing the flames in the fireplace. I apologize for that. I do not have the footage of it, but here you can see how it's turned up to be. So I colored the flames, the wood, and the interior of the walls inside the fireplace. Okay, and I used the same colors I used for the candles, plus to give this more intense red here on the flames, I used Wild Flame 0313, and I used inside the walls, inside the fireplace, I used Charcoal Gray 2100, and I blended it. And here's the same colors as the candles, yellow and mid vermilion, and so. The wood down here, I used two pencils for the wood. I used Madder Brown, and it is 1920, and Amber 1710. Okay, those two colors for the wood over here, and that was it. Also, it takes 5 minutes to do this.